morning and a warm welcome. I am Pradosh Sharma and you are watching News Flash. The ECI has asked Maharashtra Chief Secretary for explanation regarding the non-transfer of over 100 key officials before the assembly elections. Chief Secretary Sujata Sonik assured a compliance report would be filed by Monday. Supreme Court reprimanded the Commission for Air Quality Management for its inadequate action against stubble burning. The court urged better implementation of alternative solutions and demanded a more comprehensive compliance report. An FIR was filed against Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah, his family and others for alleged irregularities in land allotment by the Mysuru Urban Development Authority. This follows a special court order for a probe into the 56 crore land deal. Amid demand from the ruling NDA for YS Jagan Mohan Reddy to declare his religion before visiting the Tirupati temple, the former CM emphasized his respect for all religions and stated that humanity is his religion. China expressed dissatisfaction over Indian mountaineers naming a peak in Arunachal Pradesh after the 6th Dalai Lama. The peak was recently scaled by the NIMAS team, reigniting China's territorial claims. The Odisha government ordered regular quality checks of the Mahaprasad at the Jagannath temple after concerns over ghee quality. The decision follows a similar controversy surrounding Prasadam Laddus at Andhra Pradesh Tirupati temple. The Kolkata Municipal Corporation has initiated an investigation into the illegal construction of a 4-story residence by former RG Kar Medical College principal Sandeep Ghosh. He has been served notice under the CMC Act. Israel dismissed calls for a ceasefire with Hezbollah and continued airstrikes in Lebanon, opposing a US and France proposed 21-day truce. Israel emphasized that no directives had been issued to ease the fighting. Israel's aero defense system intercepted a ballistic missile from Yemen. The Houthis claimed responsibility, stating the missile targeted Tel Aviv, while a drone was launched toward Ashkelon in support of Gaza and Lebanon. UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer voiced support for India's permanent membership on the UN Security Council. He echoed France's stance, urging reforms for a more representative and action-oriented UNSC. Israel and Hezbollah intensifying clashes along the Lebanese border could plunge Lebanon into further turmoil. Already struggling with economic and political instability, Lebanon faces a growing threat of devastation. Despite Turkish President Erdogan omitting Kashmir in the recent UNGA speech, Pakistan maintains that Turkey's stance on Kashmir remains unchanged, focusing instead on the situation in Gaza. Donald Trump and Ukrainian President Zelensky met after Trump's critical remark on US support for Ukraine. Concerns are mounting that Trump's potential presidency could affect Ukraine's defense efforts against Russia. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla emphasized that the importance of accountability and transparency for public representative at the 21st Annual Conference of CPA India Region Zone 3 held in Mizoram's Legislative Assembly. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin met Prime Minister Narendra Modi to request the release of pending funds for welfare schemes and urged intervention to protect Tamil fishermen's interests. Ayodhya's Ram Janmabhoomi temple priest called for a nationwide investigation into the purity of ghee and oil used in prasadam following concerns over alleged adulteration of Tirupati temple's laddu offering. India's Ministry of External Affairs reiterated calls for UN Security Council reform, highlighting its outdated structure in addressing modern security challenges. India seeks a more domestic and representative UNSC. Israeli airstrikes targeted Hezbollah-controlled areas in Beirut's southern suburbs on September 28, escalating its strikes against Iran-backed group. The strikes reportedly aim to eliminate Hezbollah's leader Hassan Nasrallah, though his fate remains unclear. That's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.